ka United Democratic Party mendakasngi kapan pau bakalong kebalakloi bani trelang bat ka Voice of the People Party kawai na kiseng riulum kebanang syumi thamai hapo kane kejela. Bakran sekilat pathai kubor u presiden ka parti u Ahmed Balingdo baru u General Secretary u Dr. Jimino Mautho kapan pau bakumba iatreilang bat ka HSPDP hapo ke setri jongka Regional Democratic Alliance ka jingkhang ka pliru ya ka VPP bakan wan penisno syakane ka kynhun.
The same effort is on. Talk is still on. We are trying to ensure that regionalism approach is still in place.
We together still with the RDA.
So we are still together with the RDA. We have decided, I think about a month or 2 months ago, that again we will meet as RDA and discuss all related issues which come, which really concern about Indian speakers.
And that offer still stands.
So will you be having a common candidate for Lok Sabha, and will there be seat sharing in district council?
We have not discussed about that. So this general council of the party, all these things will be discussed, and we will come out at the appropriate time about any decisions.